Okay, everyone, this is the third video for ASP.NET MVC application house events, and today we will talk about the migrations, how to enable the migrations, what important part they played in our whole code first development. The migrations from MVC code first is actually a way to sync your database along with your models. So you will enable the migration first time, only one time in the start of your project. The way it is that go to new get package manager console, and the command will be enable migrations command. And you should always make a habit of making the small database changes and create the new migrations. In that way your database versioning will be in control, and you can always roll back to the previous migration in case if you don't like it. So once we enable the migration, this file is created, configuration.cs, and we will leave it for now as it is, just the indication that our migrations are enabled. If you are looking for some more information about this configuration file, there are plenty of information on official MVC Code First website, or you can ask me in the comments and I will try to answer. Anyway, the migrations are enabled here, and now we will create our first model. Let's for this application. As you can see that this is the events related application. We will be creating different kind of events here. So the place for this one is, you can put this one as a separate project, a different layer, but we will come back to that one later. For now we will create all our model classes in this models folder. And if you notice that the basic applications which we generated from the template is already giving us identity models. If you see here, so here we have application DB context class. This is coming directly from MVC from Microsoft, and we have here application DB context and application user identity user class. These are the initial classes which MVC provide to us. Anyway, let's create our own first model class. I will call this one add new class. These are the simple Poco classes. So let me call this one the event type. So take some time. I have already here some files, some code markups, so I will simply copy those ones. These are very basics. So, and if you see, so this class name is event type, and it has two properties, event type ID and which is a byte, because I am assuming we will not have more than 255 event types, and it has only one property name which is required. Click save, and then we will create another class. I will call this one event. Again, I will copy and paste some code and will go through with you what it is about. So, and yeah, so event class itself have event ID, which will be the primary key based on our code first conventions, and application user we saw earlier, which is coming from identity model. And yeah, these are our basic classes which we will start with. Save these ones, and then we will actually I think that if I go to the event type, I have event type ID class primary key. Let me make small changes. So we have event ID, who is the host person, which is actually our application user. where the event is being held or will be held is venue, and then we have the relation to foreign key, and let me put this one here. So event ID set. Okay, that's it. Now if we go to the application DB, our context, which is actually identity models, I really don't like this one, that having these two classes. So I will move this one. I am using the code rush dev express, but you can manually do it, cut and paste. So move file type to file. So this is my separate class, application DB context. Okay, so what we did here, we create two models and then extract our application DB context from identity model. And if you see here, our identity model is a bit neat here. Now we have all these classes available. Let me build the project. So it succeeded, everything works fine, and that's it. In the next video, we will add those ones to our DB context, and we will perform our migrations to generate these database corresponding tables in our database. So that was it for this video, and thank you for watching.